Hello and welcome to Stone Cold Kelly. And here she is right here. This is Stone Cold Kelly. She can look at you for almost ever without blinking. That's correct. Hey, this is an on your own problem, so you should have solved the entire problem on your own. And now you're watching this video just to make sure you did everything correct. Without further ado, let's move on to our scenario. Stone Cold Kelly just won the annual Amazon Stare Down contest. She defeated Stella Stork, Marvin Monkey, and even last year's champion, One-Eyed Irvin Eagle. Stone Cold Kelly won by staring straight into her opponent's eyes for minutes at a time without blinking, just like she's doing right there. Stone Cold Kelly trains 5/6 of her waking hours. If she blinks only 1/6 of the time that she is training, what portion of her waking hours is Stone Cold Kelly blinking? Alrighty, so the very first thing I want to do is shrink Stone Cold Kelly there so I have a little bit more room to work. And now let's go ahead and think about this. She is of her waking hours, she trains 5/6 of her waking hours. So she's awake 6/6, right? But 5/6 of the time she's training, right? And then she only blinks 1/6 of the time of being times, right? Of the time that she's training. So we've got 5/6 of the day she's training, and 1/6 of the time she's blinking her eyes, right? So let's go ahead and first create our fraction box. So I'm going to make a big old fraction box here. And now I need to break that fraction box into 6 parts, right? 6 parts means 5 lines. So here we go. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 lines gives me 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this represents the entire time that she's awake, but she trains 5 out of those 6 hours. So let's go ahead and fill that in, and we're going to fill in 5. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. I wanted to do this. 5/6 of those. Okay, so now I'm going to try and center that a bit. Okay, and so now she's got 5/6 of the day that she's training, right? Now, over here we see that she blinks 1/6 of the time. So I want to make 6 parts going up and down, which means 5 lines. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, she's only blinking 1 out of those 6 times. So I've got 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? She's only blinking 1 out of those 6, right? So let's go ahead and make a different color. We'll use yellow here. And here we go. I'm going to fill this one in. Now, this is actually not here, right? Because she's not training during that time. But here she is training. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of all of the time that she's awake, right? So that's 5 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 6 is 36, right? So she is blinking 5/36 of her waking hours. And that right there, my friends, is your answer. However, this is just the mathematical model. Let's go ahead and look at the algorithm. So for the algorithm, all I have to do here, actually I can keep this enlarged like that, right? And then when you're multiplying fractions, all you do is multiply across the numerators and multiply the denominators across. And it's super simple, my friend. And 5 times 1 is going to give me 5. And then 6 times 6 is 36. And voila, my friend, 5/36 agrees with 5/36 right there. And hey, that is all you need to do to solve this problem. If you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friend. Pause the video, fix your mistake. That is the fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.